What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
There was a girl hating on me at school and she called up her friends and I had my phone in my pocket while they jumped me.
Oh my
Fell
gosh.
to the ground. So can you fix my phone?
Don't worry. I got you. Your phone is ready, miss. Now looks brand new.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My boyfriend's going to pay for it.
Your boyfriend's gonna pay for it?
Yeah.
Wait, that's your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Aren't you the guy who stole the iPhone?
I don't know what you're talking about, but she knows the password to this phone.
But you're the guy who brought me the stolen iPhone, right?
I'm the one that brought you an iPhone, but I also brought you a customer.
Man, yeah. Okay.